Imagine waking up at dawn, your heart bounding because last night you hit your $50 payout from a transcription site. Yet just as you are celebrating, your internet cuts off and your dreams hangs in the balance. Frustrating, right? What if I told you that thousands of Kenyans are turning those same struggles into steady online income, working from their home on their own schedule, armed with nothing but laptops, good headphones, and the right platforms? Welcome to our channel. My name is called Mose Wamkota. I post twice a week on tips and tricks on how to make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future uploads. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about top transcription sites that are hiring Kenyans in 2025. I will share with you exact sites, real rates, insider tips, gear recommendations, and even a word of spiritual encouragement at the end. So be patient and stay with me. Now, to those who does not understand what transcription is. So transcription, put this. Transcription is the art of converting spoken audio into written text from podcasts and interviews to legal proceedings and medical dictations. But it is more than typing. It is listening with a razor-sharp focus, capturing every nuance, emotions, and even and ha when required. Now let's talk about verbatim versus edited. Verbatim keeps every utterance. Edited cleans, filter words for readability. Now we have types of transcription. We have medical, we have general, and also we have legal transcriptions. Each niche can pay differently. As a Kenyan beginner, you can start with general transcription. No medical, jargon, or court reporting. Now the best part with the transcription is that there's no degree that is required. Only dedication, accuracy, and essential gears. Now the first transcription site that you can join here in Kenya is called TranscribeMe.com. At TranscribeMe, they accept global applicants. That means Kenyans are accepted. They pay from $15 to $22 per audio hour. And they even pay higher for specialized tasks. TranscribeMe offers frequent audio and has a supportive community forum. And they also offer small clips, lengths from 4 to 6 minutes. Here are the tips to succeed. Number one is that you need to master the style guide for 1 week. Aim for 90 seconds per clip to boost accuracy. Then use auto text expansion for time stamps. They pay weekly and they pay via PayPal. The next website where you can find transcription jobs here in Kenya is called QuickText. This website pays from 0.0025 to 0.05 per word, and it offers a wide range of work from voicemails to memos. Invest in transcription foot pedal for faster rewinds. Then you need also to leverage Facebook community groups for transcription tips. Another fantastic website to look at is Casting Words. Casting Words pays anywhere from $0.85 to $1 per audio minute and has a tier system. Tips to succeed here is to complete a module immediately to unlock higher tier. Maintain 98% accuracy to qualify for express work and use Grammarly Premium to catch subtle errors. The next fantastic website is called Daily Transcription. Daily Transcription pays competitively, often from $0.75 to $1.20 per minute. This site has got regular high volume interviews and lectures. Here, deadline is tight. Usually is from 24 hours to 48 hours. Now to succeed, create templates for speakers' labels. Enable hotkeys in Express Scribe. Then keep a glossary for technical terms. Now the next fantastic website where you can join as a transcription or as a transcriber here in Kenya is called GMR Transcription. GMR accepts almost every country and the pay ranges from 25 cents to $1 per audio minute. And they vary by language and niche work. Here you can transcribe legal, medical, or even general. Now here is a tip to succeed. Opt for quality assurance. QN gigs for higher pay. Learn for medical style. Guide for specialty. Maintain 4.5 star ratings for bonuses. Another fantastic transcription website where Kenyans can join is called GoTranscript. Here rates ranges from $0.60 to $0.90 per audio minute. And the best thing with this website is that deadlines here are flexible and they also offer small audio up to 6 minutes. Now tips to succeed. Use Otter AI for rough drafts, then refine them manually. Another fantastic website where you can find transcription jobs here in Kenya is called Banan Transcription. Here at Banan, rates varies sometimes from $0.75 to $1.25 per audio minute. And they also pay bonus for rush jobs. To succeed, enroll for free Banan training module. Then invest in medical dictionary software. And also you need to specialize in one niche to build authority. Another website where you can find transcription jobs here in Kenya is called happyscribe.com. Have you ever heard about Habiscribe? On Habiscribe, they pay from 0.20 euros. I think that is $0.22 per minute. Now the best thing with Habiscribe is that it has got a great customer support, but has lower pay and high competition. So you need to stay responsive to revise requests. Use integrated editors to speed up formatting. You need also to join Habiscribe community on Slack. For effective transcription, you need equipments and softwares. Now the first equipment that you need to help you transcribe well is called Audio Technica. I think it is MDR 7506 for crystal clear sound. Now number 2 is Food Petal. You need to have also a Food Petal. You need also to familiarize yourself with software such as Express Scribe. Now the second software that you need to be familiarized with it is Grammarly Premium. This one will help you to catch grammar and spelling. The third software that you need to familiarize yourself with is Otter.ai. This one will help you to draft rough transcriptions. You need to have a quiet room or a noise cancelling over ear. You need also to have dual monitor to view side by side your audio and transcripts. You need also to have ergonomic chair to avoid fatigue. You've now got everything: the top sites, the real rates, the success tips and gear checklists. So it is time to take action. So pick one site and focus your energy there for 1 week. Join transcription communities on Facebook and WhatsApp. Track your earnings on a simple spreadsheet. So if you find this guide empowered you, smash that like button and subscribe. Then hit the notification bell for weekly hustler tips. Remember, commit your works to the Lord and your plans will be established. Your hard work, dedication, and faith will pave the way to freedom and stability. God bless you. Till the next time. Bye.